Hello everyone, and welcome to our quick guide on mechanical springs. Today, we're going to explore several types of springs and how each is used in everyday applications. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of the variety and utility of these fascinating components. First, let's look at the coil spring. Often found in automotive suspensions, coil springs are designed to absorb impact and maintain a smoother ride. Next, we have the torsion spring, which operates by twisting. You can find these in clothespins and even in the garage door mechanisms, providing controlled force during operation. Then there's the leaf spring, commonly used in the suspension system of heavy vehicles like trucks. They're made up of several layers of metal, providing robust support and flexibility. Finally, the compression spring, which is the most common type, used in a variety of applications, from ballpoint pens to the cell phone buttons. We hope this visual breakdown has helped you grasp the basics of mechanical springs.